because it has an amazing taste. Hi everybody and welcome back to Mackenzie's Kitchen. My name is Faye Mackenzie. It has been a while since you saw me in your screen, so today I'm back again with a new recipe. Before we start cooking whatever we are cooking, because today we are just going to make a quick breakfast fix. I want to thank all of our subscribers. Thank you so much for keeping it here on the Mackenzie's channel. So if you happen to be new here, please consider hitting that subscription button and clicking on the notification bell so that each and every time we post a new video you get notified. So let us go straight to our ingredients, which is French toasts. So we need some toasts of bread. Ikiwezekana just get the block, the block. Inaitwa buffalo. The buffalo, you slice it for yourself. It turns out very well, but mi sijapata buffalo. We also have milk, like a quarter cup, some 2 eggs. We have a pinch of salt, cardamom, and oil. So we are going to start with beating our eggs. Put them there. And we add our milk. Then we mix everything together. You can as well add any other spice that you feel like adding. You can also add vanilla essence. And you ensure that whatever you are using has a flat base, so that it won't give you stress when you are dipping in your bread. Our mixture is ready. Put on the fire. So in the pan I'm going to add in some oil. Just a little oil and margarine, by the way. You can as well use butter because it has amazing taste. So when you mix your margarine together with oil or the butter, it won't burn. So that is a kitchen hack. Whenever you are using margarine or butter, consider adding some few drops of oil so that your margarine or your butter won't burn. So our mixture is ready. We are going to take the bread. You just soak it in there. Straight to the pan. The pan is big enough to fit 2 slices of bread, so I'll just do 2 by 2. Some other people prefer soaking the bread completely, but I don't like it that way. I'm just going to check if it's ready. Yeah, it's already ready. I'm going to flip it on the other side. So in case applies to this one. Just give it time to be ready. So after both the sides are ready, you're good to go. Off your pan. And repeat the procedure for the second round. I'm going to add in some oil. Followed by margarine. So we continue with our first procedure. Ensure that the oil and the butter is well spread. And ensure that your heat is low to avoid burning. So the second bunch is also ready. So here we are with our very beautiful French toasts. You can enjoy them with a cup of tea. Please just try it and your breakfast will never be the same again. So thank you very much for watching. Kindly remember to subscribe if you have not subscribed, and keep it here on the Mackenzie's Kitchen. Bye bye.